What's up, y'all? Yeah, you owe some squats. Yeah, this your boy Adam Lee, CEO of Beast Fit. We just got finished doing
These are results. Pay for
legs fix. I'm sorry, I had to turn it down. So 21 day fix, but the legs day. And again, it began.
Are you recording yourself? I'm like,
talking. It's already recorded.
Oh.
But yeah, anyway, it began like it did the other day. I was like, man, this is just too damn easy. And then after we started doing the exercises like this, doing stuff like that and all that for a minute straight, man, that junk burned. But as you can see, I got a little bit of sweat, but it's working. It's not as exhausting as other programs that I've tried, but it is effective and it's efficient. So as long as you do it right, you're gonna feel them burns, and then I'm pretty sure in the morning I'm gonna feel it all right here and all in my obliques. So hopefully you guys did your workout today, or you better had. And I'm gonna know tomorrow, because if I don't see any posts, then I'm calling folks out. Like I had to do my mama and my little brother. So Tersa Alsabrook and Dexter Jr., I caught y'all.
Everybody else you called out too.
Yeah, I called Niecy.
Who else? Goss,
especially Goss. Goss ain't said nothing since he posted that cartoon picture Monday. But anyway, you guys, let's get this. It's only 30 minutes a day, and you just make sure you follow your meal plan, and let's get it. It's just 30 minutes.
It's
no excuses.
Easy.
No
we got
excuses.
each other.
Yeah. So I had my son doing that earlier today. He was like,
All right, y'all.
See y'all later.
Peace.